Let's explain the basis trade as best can be done. There's a lot of Ponzi in all of this, but here's what they're doing. The leverage suggests that they're actually at about 100 to 1. I would absolutely not buy bonds. I'd get borrowing to sell a record amount of short bonds, take the money that I get for selling bonds I don't have, get the financing to sell them first, and then take all that money. I'd take 100 billion short position on bonds, and I'd go start whaling into gold and silver like no tomorrow. You can lever me up 100 to 1 and then 100 to 1 on top of that and 101 to that, so that I can be short a few hundred billion in bonds and long a few hundred billion in gold. Why can't I get access to that? Because you're not in that leverage classes. That's right, all the skullduggery of Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, Bank of America. Oh yes, they do. Happy to facilitate a hedge fund not too far away from America on a tiny little speck of an island to become the biggest whale investors in the worst assets in the world. Currency lost 55% in the last 5 years since our bond technical top call in September of 2020 on a currency that's lost 10-15%, depending who you're measuring it against, in a single year this year. This is toxic. It's the gold, precious metals epoch that started for real with the debt-based collapse. Once the debt market could no longer go up, it was broken, and fiat, faith, and trust has been foregone. We are seeing a lack of trust in the Ponzi-onomics, and it is unwinding as we speak. It's calling the bluff of 40 years of malfeasance, deception, absolute garbage that has been proliferated. That's where the 100x comes in, by the way, friends, or 1K as collateral. So for every 100K you buy, you put up 1K. And therefore, the broker facilitates borrowing the rest, 99K. It's all a scam, basically, to get leverage on leverage, in a simple fact. Who's doing all this witchcraft finance? He's more honest and got more integrity and a better complexion than the bankers that are pulling this monkey business. You want to learn how to become a Ponzi king, you need to actually understand how leverage works. Leverage layered upon leverage. Oh yes, they are facilitating this Ponzi-onomics knowingly with their hedge funds mates, doing a leverage trade, which they think everybody will win until suddenly they don't. They repeat the loop, buy more bonds with financed cash, repo them, and short a matching futures contract.